Hello guys, hope we're all having a great day today. Hope you're all doing okay. I'm not doing too bad myself. But today, I've got these with me. Now, to you, you might think these are just like regular, like those Tots sweets. Forgot what they're called. But these are like tropical ones. And for those of you who don't know the flavour, I'm going to give you my honest review on this flavour. Now, I haven't really tried these before. But I'm going to try them now. I'm going to try each flavour. These are hard because they've just come out the fridge. My stepmom bought them for me and they just came out the fridge. Thing is, they do get stuck in your teeth, so that's one problem. But overall, I can say that these sweets are actually alright. But yeah, so these sweets are alright, and mm, mm, mm. Now, if you guys haven't known, I have been taking up a different style of art recently. Got one art here I can show you. Right here. It's Homer Simpson in a glitch effect and a drip art effect. But yeah, the ingredients I can have. So there's mango flavour, passion fruit flavour, peach flavour, pineapple flavour and grapefruit flavour. Now the nutrition is, so the energy per 100 grams, it's 1,468 kilojoules. If you guys can't see, check for yourself. It might be a bit blurry because the quality on here ain't that good. But yeah, if you have a lot of any sweets at once, they're banging. Unless it's Swedish fish, you've got to slow down on those. Oh, that's it. That's the name. Jelly Tots. I remember now. Yeah. These guys might remind you of Jelly Tots. Mmm. But that'll be where it ends, guys. This video, because I've got to be prepared to go out soon, later. So I'll see you in the next video. Yeah. See you later, guys.